First, measure the width of the bottom of the bathroom, using a leveling device to assist in measuring the width of the walls on both sides. Cut the upper guide rail to the appropriate length for the width of the bathroom. And sand the cut surface smooth. Please do the following on both sides. Use templates to locate the position on the wall where the hole needs to be punched, marking it and also marking the lower position below. Drill the holes in the wall you just marked. Place wall anchor in punched hole, install wall bracket assembly and secure with screw. Put the outside door panel safely in the bathroom to await installation. Install the 2 outside rollers onto the upper guide rail and put in the anti-fluctuator. After completing this step, flip the upper guide rail over and snap it onto the 2 wall bracket assembly. Adjust the anti-fluctuator to the proper position. Make sure that the reserved position allows the door panel to close properly. Tighten and fix it. Place the bottom rail at the bottom where the shower door will be installed and the bottom guide in the center. Attention! Bottom guide has a small hook that needs to be stuck on bottom rail. Draw a mark here for the hole to be punched. And then take the bottom rail and bottom guide out of the way to punch the hole. Secure bottom rail and bottom guide with wall anchor and wall anchor. Remove the parts of the outside roller, align them with the 2 holes of the outside door panel, and screw them on. Snap the 2 outside door panels into the 2 grooves of the bottom guide. Align the 2 inside rollers with the upper holes above the outside door panel. Install the parts, and adjust to the proper angle with a hex wrench. Put on the rest of the parts. Next, install the anti-jump assembly in a lower hole. Install the handle on the inner and outer sides separately. Install anti-collision rubber strip on both sides of each outside door panel. Fix the edges of the bottom guide with a solid adhesive. And do the same for the inside. You're done. Wait 24 hours for the glue to solidify and you can enjoy your new shower space.